In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML code in Klaviyo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the email editor, drop in an HTML block, paste your code, preview it on both desktop and mobile, and then send or schedule your message. We'll keep things simple and email safe while still giving you room for customization. First, open the email editor. From your Klaviyo dashboard, go to Campaigns for one-time sends, or Flows if you're working on an automated message. Create a new email or open a draft you've already started, then click Edit Content to launch the builder. Next, add the HTML block. In the left-hand panel of the editor, find the element labeled HTML. Click and drag it into your layout exactly where you want the custom content to appear. You can place it inside a single column section for the most reliable rendering, or within an existing structure to blend it with your design. Once it lands, you'll see a placeholder prompting you to add code. This block isolates your custom markup so it doesn't interfere with other content modules in the email. Now paste your HTML code. Click the HTML block to open the code editor, then paste your snippet directly into the field. For best results, keep styles inline and stick to HTML that's friendly to email clients. Most inboxes strip JavaScript and external style sheets, and many won't display iframes or forms. So focus on simple, robust markup. Host images externally and use absolute URLs. If you're embedding something like a countdown timer or a widget, use a provider that generates email-ready HTML or includes a fallback such as an animated GIF. Custom buttons and styled sections work great here, and you can fine-tune spacing with padding and line height inside your code. When your code looks good, save and preview. Click Preview and test to see how everything renders. Review the desktop preview, then switch to mobile to confirm fonts, widths, and buttons feel tab-friendly. Use the Preview Send feature to email yourself a copy and check it in real clients, making sure links track and images load quickly. Pay attention to contrast and readability, and confirm that nothing breaks when the screen gets narrow. Finally, send or schedule. Click Next. Then choose to send now for immediate delivery or select schedule to pick a date and time that fits your plan. That's it. Your custom HTML is now live inside your Klaviyo email. Thanks for watching and happy building.